Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove and to put back the Serpentine belt on an LS4 engine. If you don't know how the tensioner works, replacing that belt can be a nightmare. But I will show you how to release the tension in the belt so you can replace it yourself without any particular tool. The belt setup you see at the moment has the air conditioning option, but even if your engine doesn't have the air conditioning, the steps to release the tension will be the same and the tensioner will also be the same. That belt schema is not a perfect scale, but it's pretty much what you will see under the hood. So if you don't have a special tool to release the tension in the tensioner, the way to go is to collapse the spring of the tensioner by using a pry bar or a big flat screwdriver. And to reach that spring, the first step you will have to do is to remove the right front wheel and the plastic shield that's protecting the belt. Then you need to place your pry bar on the top of the spring and push it down so it releases the tension in the belt. Let me show you exactly where you need to place your bar. And you need to make sure your bar is very sitting on the top of the spring because the tension in that spring is just crazy. And you don't want your bar to slip and break something or hurt yourself. But before any of it, the first thing to do is to disconnect the battery for safety reasons. The easiest way to install the belt on this engine is to make sure the belt is perfectly sitting on every pulley but the power steering one. Before starting to pry the spring or anything, you need to make sure that the belt is perfectly sitting and that you have some kind of tension with your finger so the belt don't slip or fall off a pulley. Then when you're ready, you hold the tension with your right hand and you pry the spring with your left hand. It seems very far, but don't worry, it's pretty close. It's very easy to do. Make sure to never put your finger between a pulley and the belt because if the bar slips, you will lose a finger. Like you can see, it's very easy to do. And after you have released the pressure and the belt seems to be in its place, the final step is to make a visual verification to make sure that the belt is correctly inserted in every pulley. After your verification is over, you can connect your battery and start the engine and see if everything is working like it's supposed to be. This is it for now, guys. Next week I will show you how to replace the alternator on this engine, but after the belt is removed, the job is halfway done. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I wish everybody a great week. See you later, guys.